Hey guys, what's up? Matt here, and today I'm just gonna have a quick 2-minute just a tip just to see how it feels on the difference between selling over Zoom and selling on the phone. So cue the intro. All right, let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's go. Okay, so selling on the phone is great. Most of my sales have been done over the phone. Now they're all done over Zoom. I was very, very reluctant to make the transition. The reason is because I like doing things with my hands. I have cards. See, there you go. I like doing that kind of stuff, and sometimes you can hear that when I'm on Zoom. It's harder to hear it on the phone. Okay, so I used to like to walk around an awful lot. Okay, I also had my script in front of me, right? So these are all obstacles that I had that were really sort of stopped me from wanting to get into Zoom selling. Okay, but there are some enormous benefits to Zoom selling over phone sales. The first of all is when you get people on Zoom, they're usually in a quiet place, ready to interact with you, and there's a more of a human-to-human connection because you're looking straight into someone's eyes. If I do my videos and I look at myself in the viewfinder right now instead of down the barrel, it actually looks quite weird to you. So I need to look directly into the lens because then I have a better connection with you. Now, you get a much better connection if you're looking at someone over Zoom than what you are just talking to them on the phone. So automatically there's another level of trust, okay? And trust is key when any type of selling, all right? So that's the first one. The second of all is you can present and give them visual presentations. So you can actually allow yourself to sell more types of individuals simply because you're on Zoom and because of the technology you have available to you, okay? A lot of the times with B2B selling, the stuff that we do, we always have a visual presentation that goes along with a lot of our sales, not all, but some, that actually tick some of the boxes, especially if I'm selling like large-scale B2B sales training or something like that that requires some visualizations, right? Especially with expensive packages. The next thing is that you're able to objection handle much easier because you can gauge the physical reactions of the person. Sometimes it's hard to tell when someone's engaging or thinking, right? And so when someone is really thinking deeply, sometimes on the phone, you interrupt them by going, hello, are you there? Or something like that, right? So it allows you to actually give them the room that they require to really think about what they're going to say next, which makes objection handling easier. And just overall, guys, selling on Zoom, you have the person in a room, they're very locked into you, they're engaged, they're visually stimulated, you're having a productive conversation, and you can read them much better, right? So that is why I prefer selling over Zoom over selling over the phone. So if you can do it, I recommend it. All right, guys, bye.